What's good, guys? It's Kombat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and today we're going to go over the most vital shortcuts to impress your clients. This will also help optimize your workflow. Let's get into it.
Kombat, this a banger, huh?
So I got my session open right here. This is a song I produced for Young Stags. It's a dope rage song. I'm going to play it out real fast.
Man, fuck it, I'm making buckets, choppers be bustin', bullets be dumping. The bitch stay bustin', she don't know nothing, I'll stop cuffing.
Alright, so the first shortcut I'm going to show you guys today, it is to zoom in and out of your track. So it looks something like this. Make it super easy, super fast. I don't even know how to do it the old way, honestly. I think it's like something with this. It's like a little single zoom and zoom out thing. Yeah, it's just super slow. You gotta be, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it's a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys the fastest way to do that. So there's two ways actually. So the easiest of the shortcuts is R and T. So if you hit R, it zooms out. If you hit T, it zooms in. It's literally that easy. It's just R, zoom out, T, zoom in. That easy. The other way that I got used to, I recommend that way, but the other way I got used to, just so you guys know, it's command bracket. So if you do the command left brackets, zooms out, command right brackets, zoom in. Same type of thing. Either way works, but the shortcut makes your life easier, makes you look dope. Alright, so next thing I'm going to show you guys is Command E. It's the cut. This is very important if you guys are comping, if you guys are taking out certain parts. You guys will zoom into a part right here. Let's say I want to cut this out. I would just do Command E. I can literally cut it right here. Now it's its own clip, and I can drag, move it anywhere I want. Just makes it super easy. I can also highlight big parts, whatever. It'll make it easy for me to add to playlist as well. It just makes it super easy for all of that. All right, after that, going right into it is Command Z, undo. It's super important. I can highlight this. I can hit delete. Then I can Command Z that out. And the opposite of Command Z, let's say we do something that we want to take back. Let's say Command Z and we're like, ah man, I actually wanted that deleted. Just Command Shift Z will give you the redo button. So this is undo, redo, undo, redo. Super easy. The next shortcut I'm going to show you guys is what I do every 5 seconds in any session I'm in. If you are a video gamer, you do this all the time. It is Command S to save. Just Command S. Super easy. I recommend, Pro Tools does give you backups every so often, whatever you program it to do. I recommend doing command save after you do everything damn near. I keep command saving. We've all been there. We've all had our nightmare sessions where we lose something so vital to us. This is the way to avoid that. Just Command S, super easy. Next shortcut I'm going to show you guys is Command Shift N. So what Command Shift N is, I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to do that again. Command Shift N, it helps you create new tracks. Now, to make this even faster, after you hit Command Shift N to cycle through stereo or mono, to cycle through audio tracks or aux tracks or master tracks, all you have to do is hold down Command and hit the right arrow key. When you hit the right arrow key to the left arrow key, you could change that track between a stereo or mono track. Now, let's say I want to add a mono audio track, boom, right there. Let's say I want to do a stereo aux track. I'm going to hit Command right. Now I'm going to do Command down. There's an aux track. I can hit another Command down. There's a master track. Makes it super easy. You could also name your tracks right there. All right, so another vital shortcut is going to be Command Shift I. So Command Shift I right here will take you straight to the import screen. Now, you might ask, Kombat, why don't I just drag and drop the audio files straight into Pro Tools, and why do I have to import it like this? Now, I will tell you. One, I feel like when you do it this way, it just makes it so fluid. You know what I'm saying? It's going through your sample rate and everything, and just kind of make sure it syncs with the session a lot better. Two, it saves everything that you put into there into an audio folder in your where all your session is, where that folder of your whole session, it saves it all right here. Actually, this folder right here that you guys see, it saves everything in there. As you guys can see right here, boom, it saves it all in there. Super important, because if you were to transfer that session, send it off to anybody else, sometimes we forget to do a save copy in to make sure it's all in there. This will make it to where we can. It just makes it super easy. It just makes it so you don't lose any type of extra audio files or anything like that. And the last vital shortcut I'm going to show you guys for today, should help you guys out a lot, is to consolidate. Now, consolidating is super vital if you're trying to send out any track outs or anything like that. All you guys do is highlight the things you want consolidated. You hit Option Shift 3. Boom, it's going to consolidate it all right here. Helps out a lot too if you guys take out a lot of breaths or a lot of like parts of the song or anything like that. Let's say you have like little parts that you want to take out and it just looks like a lot right here. I just drag, you just hit Option Shift 3, consolidates that whole thing for you. Awesome. Now that concludes my tutorial. I hope this makes you a lot faster engineer on Pro Tools, and I hope you just look dope in front of your clients. I mean, that's the best way to do this. You know what I'm saying? You want to look cool. If you guys have any other questions, please contact me at Kombat_K. You guys can find the link in the description. And presets. If you guys want free presets and templates for Pro Tools, Logic, or GarageBand, head over to the link below. We have free samples for you guys. It comes with a template and presets. All it takes is a drag and a drop. Get your vocals clearer. And remember, please like, comment, and subscribe because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.